Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Shrimps Linguine Aglio Olio. I think there is not many people doing this yet, but it's super tasty. Give it a try. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. And let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Peel the prawns. Remove the intestines. Prepare a bowl of water and put your finger in the bowl to remove the intestine easily. Add in all the condiments for the shrimps and mix well. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add a touch of oil and salt in a pot of boiling water. Add in the linguine and cook for around 9 to 10 minutes or until al dente. Remove linguine from heat. In a clean frying pan, add in around 3/4 cup of oil. Add in the shrimps and fry till 90% done. Add in the garlic and cook till it's slightly brown. Linguine goes in and stir. Add in more pasta water if it becomes too dry. Add in all the condiments and mix. Turn off the heat and serve immediately. And let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!